Okay, students. I'm going to explain the stack using linked list once again here. Just listen. So first of all, for the linked list, we have to create the structure, right? So that's why I'm going to give struct is a keyword, right? And I'm going to give the name for the structure, isn't it? And next, I'm going to declare the data part as a data and the link part as struct node asterisk link, right? I hope you all know about this. Then I'm going to close this. Next, I'm going to create void main. Under this main, you have to give the message like, so printf, what are the choices are there, right? So one is for push function, one is for push function, and two is for tab D is what? Give the space between the sentence, right? So two is for pop function, and three is for display, right? And four is for exit, isn't it? Exit function. Okay, ma? So that's all we are going to execute here. Okay, and what is the next? So I have to choose, right, which choice I'm going to enter. That's why I'm going to give the one more print of message, that is enter your choice. Okay, enter your choice, and here I'm going to scan off. Okay, I'm going to read, okay, what the choice you are going to pass. That is CH. So for that, what I will do, I have to create the variable. Sir, no, I'm going to create the variable, that is integer CH. Then we can declare when we need the variables. Okay, ma? So now, what do you understand from this? Enter your choice. Then based on the scanf, you can implement this, right? Then all those things I'm going to put the while. Okay. So while one means what? You can execute the instruction until you get the termination. Okay. And here I'm going to use the switch of what? I'm going to pass the variable ch. Okay, so and here case 1. So case 1 I'm going to write what? The push function. Okay, then if you're going to derive any push function, we have to mention what is the function format, right? So the return type of the push function is void and push. I didn't pass any variable. Okay, and also I'm going to write another case 1. What is the case 1 is this? Case 2. So case 2 is what? The pop function. I'm going to create the pop function. So I can give the break also. Then after execute this, it get the break. Okay, for every case you can give the break. And next is what, ma? So case 3. Case 3 I'm going to give display, right? Case 3 I'm going to display, and here also break. Okay, then case 4. Case 4, what? It is exit. Case 4 is exit of 0. Okay, then break. Okay, students, so I'm going to close the switch, as well as I'm going to close the while loop, and I'm going to close the main. Okay, so here what are the functions I'm going to use? Push is I declared here, and what are the remaining function? Void pop is there. Okay, then void void what, ma? So void display, yes. So void display function is there. Okay, so what do you understand from this? I create the void main. In this void main, I'm going to call the functions. What are the functions? Push, pop, and display as per our choice. Okay. Okay. What are the choice? If you want, you can choose. Okay. So that is our choice only. Okay. So now I'm going to write what? I'm going to write the main function. Sorry, the push function. So for that, um, and before that, you have to declare the header file, you know. So what is the header files I'm going to declare? Include stdio.h, then include conio.h, then maintain for the linked list, include stdlib.h. Okay, this is important. And while of one switch one I closed, while of one I closed, and that's it, right? Yes. Okay. Main also I have closed. And next is what? I'm going to derive the function, that is a void push. Okay. So here I'm going to use uh, the variable, right? The top variable. So in globally, I'm going to declare some uh, pointer variable, that is struct node what top and temp. Okay, you can declare, because we are going to use a different function, no? So no need to declare. So for every function, the top should be maintained all the function. Okay, that's why we should create the top as the main. Okay, so here push function. First of all, I'm going to check if what I'm going to check, if um, before that, I'm going to read the value, right? So for that, printf, enter the value to be inserted, enter the value to be inserted in the stack. So scanf, I'm going to give address of n, okay, or you can give x, address of x, okay, and yes, address of x. So have to read the value, no, x, then only we can pass here. Okay, then after that, I'm going to create the memory, the temporary. Okay, sorry, using linked list dynamically. So I'm going to use one variable. So temp equal to, or you can use the new name, or okay, you can just check temp. Already I have declared in the main, no? So just I'm going to check temp equal to what? Struct. Dynamically I'm going to create struct node pointer type malloc size of struct is struct node asterisk. Okay, after that you have to check. So okay, you can directly assign the data part, no? Temp tends to data equal to x. Yes, then I need to assign the link part, right? So you have to check if top equal to null. Yes, if it is initially there is no value, so the top is always null. I didn't declare anything, right? So if the condition is true, means what will happen? The temp tends to link, you can assign as null. Okay, yes, then otherwise what will happen? Temp tends to link equal to top, okay, and your top equal to your temp. Yes, so this is the code for the push function. Okay, so from what do you understand from this? We create the memory for the variable temp, and the data part I have assigned what I have read from the from scanf. Then I need to assign the link part also, you know. So first I have to check what is your top. Initially the top equal to null. Okay, I didn't assign anything, so initially it is null only because I didn't create any memory for the top. So here temp tends to link equal to, if the condition is true means temp tends to link equal to null. The condition is false means temp tends to link is top. That means top was a memory. Yes. Then after assigning that, you can assign top equal to temp. Okay. Top equal to temp you can assign. Okay, mom. So this is the push function. Okay. So after that I close everything now. So if is over, okay, void is over. Then I'm going to display this value. So for that, void push, sorry, void display. Okay, so I'm going to display. So for that I'm going to check first of all if temp if top equal to null. Okay, the top equal to null means printf what stack is empty. Okay, there is no elements. Otherwise in else part, you can write, you can assign one variable temp equal to top. Okay, then while temp tends to temp not equal to null. Okay, then if it is true means you can print the value, no. So print of percentage d, uh, the elements are, you can give the elements in the stack is, okay, so the elements only you can give uh, new line, okay, comma, what I have to give, sorry, temp tends to data. Yes, okay, then the temp should points to the next value, no. So how to assign that? temp equal to temp equal to temp tends to link. Okay, so now after complete that, you can close the else part. Okay, then get ch. Okay, then close. Okay, so here I'm going to check this functions where it is working or not. Okay, so for that we have to execute the pop also. Okay, I'll write the pop and we can go for, otherwise you can check whether it is working or not, then we can go for the pop. So I'm going to hide the pop operation here. So how to hide, yes, yes, then here also I have to have to use this. Then we'll do, first you have to check whether it's working or not. See, check, see, error, unknown preprocessor directory, include imclu, include, so yes, that's an error. Just say, the next one's 1, so and then the elements to be pushed 56, then the choice 1, enter element 9, choice 1, enter the element 67. So we choose this. See, the last element is 67, second element is 89, the third element is 56. Okay, so if I'm going to give the exit options, I'll get. So, but I didn't get this answer when I was working in our class, right? So what mistake I did means, here in this push function, I have assigned temp equal to null. Okay, so that is only one time when the push operation going to execute, that time the operation times only it get the value for the last value, other than the top is assigned as the null. Yes, so here in the class, during the class I have written like that. Okay, so first I have written top equal to null, then I check the condition. That's why I didn't get that answer. Okay, so no need to assign top equal to null. So if you didn't create any memory means automatically your top value is null only. Okay, so you have to check directly and you can implement this. Okay, and one more function is what? Pop function, right? So that is the void pop. Okay, so here what you will do, the pop, so delete that value, right? So again I'm going to check if top equal to null. If top equal to null means you can go for here. So printf what? The stack is underflow, isn't it? Stack is underflow. Then else what I will do, can assign one new variable s equal to top. Then you can print that variable, printf the popped uh, the popped element is temp tends to data. Okay, then after that you can assign temp equal top, then the top equal to top tends to link. Okay, then free of top. You can remove that, then you can close this, then you get ch. Okay, else is over, the void pop is over. Okay, now I'm going to check, see, compile, see error, run. Okay, wait, I'm going to with a clear screen, then you can get this one. Just say see, compile, run, and do your choice. Your choice 1, 78. Your choice 1, 67. Your choice 3, okay, 67, 78. Right? So again, I'm going to do the top 2. Then element 67 is popped. Then Q, 2 only. So mistakenly I enter that. And then some garbage values assigned, I think. So 3, enter the choice 3. So 8, 9, 5, 17. Okay, I'm going to take 4. Second will run it. So compile. So then the choice 1. Okay. 10. Get 1. 20. Get 1. 30. 10, 3, 30, 20, 10. Then choice is 2. That is what? Top element is 30. The elements 20 and 18. The choice 2 again. Something is 3. Correcting the top function, not to correct it. In the top equal to null, yes, not equal to null. Temp equal to top, temp tends to beta. Then top equal to temp tends to link. Sorry, here I did mistake is free of what? Gem. Free of temp. I hope I will answer. Right. So I just save. Also combine. Check. Fine. Read. Yes. Choose. Yes. Yes. Elements. What element is 45 elements? So 45. 2. What element is 45. The stack is empty. You can give the message. Stack is empty. Then is for exit. Okay. So the top is so the else. Tends to make we of them. So now I check. Say C5 alt or run. Is there? Is that something that I got? Students, I hope you all understood. Okay, so based on this, you have to write your code. Okay. So I didn't do the break here. To do the break. This now we can check. Then choose choice 3. Then I'm going to choose choice 2. Choice 2. 1, 2. Then I'm going to choose choice 3. 1, 2. Okay. Again, we're going to use element is 100. Stock is under 4. This 0. That's it, students. Please watch this video, recorded session, then you will get that idea about this. Thank you.